morning, family. A very happy Ugadi to you all. I am Vandana, and before starting up the business, I used to work with Amazon under HR operations as a process lead for a pretty decent time for 5 years, 8 months. I was doing pretty good at my job. I was a top performer, and I had 3 promotions in 4 years. But something was lacking, and I was not that satisfied with the job I was doing, and with the money I was making. So while I was in that hunger to hunt more for a better opportunity or to, achieve my goals or, to dream big or think big, um, I met this person on Facebook who's like a very kind hearted, most humble, very sweet, I would say. It's none other than our most lovable Mr. Uday. So I started talking to Uday and following him on Insta, on Facebook. Very much impressed with the lifestyle of his and the way he carries himself. So when I had to let him know that this is what I was going through and this is what my lifestyle is, and I want to do something more for my life, achieve more in my life, and see myself in a better position. So the way he narrated the business, I think the concept itself, uh, when he started explaining me about the business, I think it earned my trust without any second doubt. I think I had no questions at all. If I had to do something big in my life, this is the opportunity, I would say, and this is the only chance. Other than this, there is no other thing that can satisfy or fulfill my desires and wishes that I had. So I'm super cold. I think Uday has no idea about my background, where I come from, what I do. But once we started talking about the business, I think it all cracked up. Then, it happened this way, and I happened to meet Mr. Subodh. This guy, the energy what he carries, the zeal and enthusiasm what he has, I think it is awestruck. I think I had no words, no questions at all. I was frozen while talking to Mr. Subodh, as in, where does this guy come from? How come this guy has so much of energy and confidence that he holds? That was the first meet with Uday and Subodh, and then understood what we gonna do and about the business as well. Pretty like an overview of what exactly the concept is. Then one day before flying off to Bangkok, I happened to meet Mr. Malani. Oh my god, he's another gem kind of a person. He took my plan and we finished our finances, and next day I happened to fly to Bangkok. So, before even my plan, my Bangkok tickets got booked, and I was all geared up that, I am doing this. That's it. There's no second thoughts, there's no second option. So, DWD happened. It is like a eye-opening event for me, I would say. For I should say for all the startups like me who wants to do something more in their life. I think it was a learning. The entire event, when I get to see, when encountered most of the amazing people, like I want to see myself one day in their position. Hence, decided when I came back, I resigned Amazon. Not because of this, but maybe because I want to do something big and Amazon is not serving my purpose. So I am totally focusing on this piece now because this is a thing which will help me to grow bigger in my life. So that's how it happened. All thanks to my guru, I would say, my mentor, my coach, my upline, Mr. Uday. And thank you so much, Subodh, for your encouragement that, yes, this girl can do something. And Mr. Malani, thank you so much for all that guidance and confidence that you have given to me. This is how I started.